How to download HongLeoung online banking app. So for downloading, first make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and after making sure that you have an internet connection, then all you have to do is go to Play Store, and after opening your Play Store, on the search bar search for HongLeoung, and after searching tap on the first search, and then here you will have an option to install the HLB Connect mobile banking app. So this is what called as HongLeoung Bank app, and you can simply tap on install. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. So after installing, you can simply tap on open, and then you can take the further steps like to create an account, to sign up, or to log in, and all of that. So that's it, guys. That's how you download the HongLeoung mobile app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.